In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use inventory reports in QuickBooks. If you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, this guide is perfect for getting a handle on your inventory management. We'll walk through the steps you need to take to access your inventory reports, ensuring you have clear insights into your stock levels at any given time. First, you'll want to begin by opening up your browser and navigating to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, locate and click on the Sign In button. This is the gateway to accessing your account and all its valuable data. After you've clicked on Sign In, you'll be presented with a couple of options. Go ahead and choose QuickBooks Online. This is the platform we'll be using today to access your reports. Now you'll need to enter your credentials. This means typing in your username and password. Once you've done that, click on the Continue button. If you have two-step verification set up, this is where you might need to verify your identity with a code sent to your preferred method. With that done, you're now inside your QuickBooks dashboard. From here, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Reports section. You can easily do this by looking at the menu options and finding the link labeled Reports. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new page displaying various report options. Now once you're in the Reports section, we'll focus on generating an inventory report. Specifically, the physical inventory worksheet. To find it, use the search functionality at the top of the reports page. Just type in physical inventory worksheet and watch as QuickBooks intelligently pulls up related reports. As options appear, make sure you click on the correct link titled Physical Inventory Worksheet. Clicking this will open up the inventory report, allowing you to see detailed information on your stock levels and other relevant details. This is incredibly handy for doing periodic inventory checks and ensuring your records match your actual stock. Reviewing this report regularly can help avoid discrepancies and set you on the path for smooth inventory management. To recap, we've just walked through how to sign into QuickBooks, access your reports section, search specifically for the physical inventory worksheet and view it. This report provides you with detailed insights into your inventory, helping you maintain accurate stock records. And that's it! You've successfully accessed your inventory reports in QuickBooks. Make sure to bookmark this routine as part of your regular business operations for seamless inventory management. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.